Hey guys, welcome back to Adapt a Day. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's enjoying this bull run. Today we're going to focus on Cetus Protocol. Okay, Cetus Protocol is the leading DEX and liquidity protocol on Sui, the key liquidity and SOP infra for Sui. So, big player on Sui, a lot of volume, a lot of people following them, huge protocol. Like what they wanted, just going through their Twitter to see what they've got going on. Sui Connect event is more packed than any club I've ever been this year. Okay, so a lot of people are excited about Sui, man. Here's some numbers that prove that. On November 10th, the trading volume on Cetus Protocol, $400 million. It's almost $500 million though, in one day. That's how excited people were. That's how much volume is on the protocol. So we're gonna jump right in. We're just gonna go over there. We're gonna try to get some of this money, right? This volume means that people are trading, and if you're adding liquidity, you're gonna get fees. So let's go. Just want to show you guys the website. Give you guys so we see here they're actually on Aptos as well as Sui. Aptos, I don't know if you guys know, Aptos is another blockchain on the Move language, which is what Sui is. It's a blockchain built on the Move language. Here we go. Move. Move is a programming language for blockchains that you can find on Sui and Aptos. Sui and Aptos' origin story is from Facebook. They were building, blockchain infrastructure. The government told them they couldn't do it. So the teams that were working on it split off and built Sui and Aptos. So here we are. Sui is one of the biggest blockchains this cycle. So something you need to be taking advantage of, all the energy over there. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna go on the DApp now. We're just gonna go get busy. We're gonna go earn some money. Take you guys back to the home. Okay, so here we are on the DApp. As you can see, like usual, when you get on one of these liquidity protocols or DEXs, you're gonna see the immediate action to take is swapping. I've already swapped my tokens. I sold some USDC. Well, I bought some Sui with USDC, so I could be prepared to get into this liquidity pool. So let's just go. There goes this button, earn. This is the best button on all these websites, man. Earn them. That's where you're going in and you're gonna make some money. So let's figure out what's going on Sui and where we want to add liquidity. As you can see, we have 24-hour volume is 260 million. So it slowed down a bit. The bull market just went crazy this week. Everything's kind of relaxing now. People are, taking profits. People are figuring out what their next move is going to be. What I'm going to continue doing is adding liquidity to protocols, earning passive income. That's the name of the game, right? That's what crypto has allowed for us to do. So we're going to take advantage of these new technologies, and we're going to get ahead of this wave. Okay, so here we go. I'm focusing on the pool with the most volume because it generates the most fees. 71 million in volume. That came out to 180,000 in fees. So if you were in this pool, you would be getting a piece of 180,000 at 24 hour span. So also what you would be getting if you were in this pool would be mining rewards. So Cetus is incentivizing these pools. So they're giving people Cetus, and they're also going to be paying out Sui. So on top of the fees, if you're in this pool, you're going to be earning Cetus and Sui, which is great, guys. It's an opportunity to make extra capital on top of what you're already generating in fees. So let's get it. Let's go. Here we are. So here you go. I like this setup. It's not super simple, but it also allows you to really see what's going on. So here we go. Basically what this is called a conservative range. They have active, different ranges. So basically they're telling me I'm going to be adding liquidity to the price between 107 and 659, which is a lot because as you can see the current price is 295. The more I bring these in, now it's, instead of 107 it's 158. We're going to go a little deeper. I want to get to at least in the $2 range. Here we go. Even that's too low, 232. Let's go for about 250. Okay, that's it. That means if the price comes down to 250, I will potentially get knocked out of this position. Anything under 247, but price is strong. It's on a pullback right now, hitting 295. So I don't think we have to worry about it coming that far down. But we never know. But our capital will be protected, so it's not a big deal. Nothing to be worried about. So I'm gonna adjust this to max price and bring that down to what I think is reasonable. 435. I want it to be about, let's do 350. So we're going from 250 to 350. I think that's a reasonable range. Okay, that's perfect. 247 to 344. As like I said, price is 295. So we're gonna add liquidity in this position. Here's the ratio we're gonna be adding in. It's gonna be 46.7% in Sui and 53.3% USDT. So that's okay. So let's do it. We're gonna do max. So this position is gonna be worth $1,175. I'm not really seeing how much I'm gonna be making. Potentially this. 396, which is amazing. That's more than 1% a day of my capital. So let's go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask some questions in the comments. I can go over these in another video. It's just reiterating what's going on, giving me the breakdown. Everything looks good. So we're gonna add liquidity. Okay, my wallet. We're gonna hit approve. It's just telling me how much money is coming out of the wallet. I'm gonna hit approve. There you go. This is actually another reason why I like Sui. It's very fast, as you see. Like you guys, that was real time, boom, like nanoseconds or some shit. But it was crazy fast, and that's why I like about Sui. So now our position is there. So let's look. My liquidity or your liquidity. It's gonna show me mine. Okay. So here we go. Show me my position. It's telling me my range. And that's how much is in there. Okay. I guess it's a little more details. I like this. It's giving you a big breakdown of what's going on, and I'm able to add to this position too. That's actually really cool. And it's telling me how many fees. Like I said, I'm earning USDC, I'm earning Sui in the fees, and then I'm getting mining rewards. That's the Cetus and the other Sui that I showed you guys here. I'm gonna go back to the pool page just so you guys can see. So I'm gonna be earning fees, like I said here, and mining rewards here. So I'm making, right now it's averaging about 402. That's some crazy yield, guys. All right, so hope you guys understood what happened there. Like I said, leave comments if you don't. I'm gonna be doing this all day. This is what I do all day, Dapper Day. That's the name of this channel. Where we go, we leverage our capital to make money. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys soon.